Today let's make झटपट poha. This is 2 handful of washed poha. We need mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, salt, groundnuts, chili, curry leaves, onion and coriander leaves for garnishing. Let's heat the oil in kadhai, add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then you add peanuts, add cumin seed, add green chili, curry leaves, add chopped onion and saute them. Add turmeric, and then you can add poha. Make sure that poha should not be dry. If you feel it dry, then you can just sprinkle little water over it. Now you can add little salt in poha as well as in masala. I am adding little sugar in poha. It tastes good. Now I am adding leftover potato sabji. If you don't have potato sabji, you can just add boiled potato or thinly sliced potato, or you can skip this step also. Now let's add poha in masala and mix them nicely. Here I am sprinkling little water so that poha will become soft. Add coriander in it. Our poha is all ready. Just add little coriander over it and let it keep for few seconds in very low flame. Switch off the gas and you can see very nice, tasty and soft poha ready to serve. Here for additional taste you can squeeze little lemon. So here is instant poha ready.